They have very colorful names. This is called a pistol grip because it fits in your hand like a pistol.
Freshwater mussels, with names like fat muckets, bank climbers, and heel splitters, are critical to river ecosystems, but many are in trouble.
And probably about 70% of the species are threatened in some way.
With support from the National Science Foundation, zoologist Caryn Vaughn studies mussels' role in their environment. These invertebrates need plentiful water to thrive and healthy fish to reproduce.
So freshwater mussels, they can't move very far, right? So the way they get around is by sticking their larvae on a fish, and the fish takes it to a new habitat.
The major problem for freshwater mussels now is habitat fragmentation and channelization by dams.
Years ago, mussels were at risk because their shells made beautiful buttons. Now it's all about the human need for water. Vaughn does her field work in southeastern Oklahoma, a region hard hit by drought in 2011.
This one river that we've been working in for over 20 years, we probably lost a third of the mussels in that river.
If you can believe it, mussels live 30 to 50 years, and they're hard workers during that time, cleaning the water.
So they're filtering water and taking impurities out of it. The direction that we're trying to go next in our research is to put monetary values on these services that mussels are providing and hopefully show that, if you leave the mussels in the river, then it will save you this much money in water treatment.
At the Aquatic Research Facility at the University of Oklahoma, she's found that in mussel beds, diversity counts. The more species, the healthier.
So we're asking, do bank climbers and muckets, when they're together, do something different than muckets when they're just by themselves?
They're definitely in better condition when they're in more diverse beds.
Mussel shells also shelter and nurture insect larvae and other tiny creatures. Another reason, Vaughn says, to help these mussels stay strong. For Science Nation, I'm Miles O'Brien.